Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Checking out this Hotify Tools hammer here. Alright, seems pretty legit here. It's got a nice magnetic area here to hold nails. So you can put a nail there and get it started without having to hold a nail there. Feels pretty heavy duty there. Also in the back we have a couple of different ones for pulling nails out too. So it really enhances your leverage there with that. So let's go. Also hammer with this edge or with this one, and has a nice little hole there for holding it up. Let's go test it out. This thing has a nice weight to it. Actually, it's like a really pretty sturdy there. Alrighty, let's test this out here. So I got some nails on there and just kind of put it on there. Give a little tap so that it's set on there, and then boom. And then we can, it's got some good weight to it. Yeah, not the best at driving nails, but it's nice that it just picks up on there. And it has two different stages here. So one for like a little bit smaller one. So for those, just get it in there. You can use this side too. There we go. Let's see if I can pull one out. So let's get another one here. Get it in there, set it a little bit, and then just give it a little. This is super hardwood here. Let's see. But yeah, it works pretty good. Get that going. All right, let's see if I can pull it out now. We got this one. I'll use the deep one. And okay. Oh wow, really good leverage on that, and it didn't even really bend the nail. So this thing's pretty burly. Sorry, it's been a minute since I've actually did some hammering. So see if I can get one in there flush, and we can. Nice little hammer for sure. Works good at getting those out, and yeah, that's super handy just to be able to do that. Other than that, if you don't, you're kind of holding it like this to try to get it started, which you can always, like, you know, maybe hit your fingers or something like that. What I like about this is you can just get it one hit, get it some pretty good power in there too, get it set, and you're good to go. So pretty sweet, great little hammer here. Got that little thing so I can just hang it up on my pegboard too or whatever. I'll probably just put it up with my other hammers. But yeah, if you guys are looking for a decent hammer, this thing's pretty nice. Thanks for watching this review. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.